Hi, I'm Kelly, and you might know me from Writerverse Journey. Today, I'm gonna help a friend of mine that was asking how to do a free day promotion, so like when you put your ebook for free. And it's gonna be a very short video. So let's do this. First of all, you want to log in on your Amazon account. So you go to kdp.amazon. You're gonna sign in. In this case, I'm already signed in, and whenever it opens, you're gonna have your bookshelf, right? So you can see my bookshelf over here. If I go to a specific book and I click on these little dots next to the Kindle, this is the Kindle here, I have the three dots here, and I do promote and advertise, and I click on that. It shows me all of the KDP promotion options. And right down here, there's free ebook promotion. See? If I select that and I create a new free book promotion, I can select the days. I can say, oh, I can't use the 12, 13, and 14 right here because Operation Anna is going to be for free on those days already. So it's already set. And it shows me the amount of days that I have used for this specific time. So the amount of days, it's 5 days per promotion campaign time. And you can put from the 23 to the 23, which means it's going to be from midnight to so from midnight 01 from the 23rd to the 11:59 on the 23rd. So it's a full day promotion, and that's EST time, so it's the Eastern Standard Time Zone. And if you want it to be on the 23 and the 24, it would be these 2 days. Remember, it always starts at midnight EST and it finishes at 11:59 p.m. EST. So whenever you do that and you do the save changes, you're gonna see all of the days that are available on the bottom. Um, and that's it for me. So best of luck. I hope that helps you out. And good luck with your promotions. Don't forget that you can um, advertise it on social media. You can hire services like the First Librarian or Booksy to send a newsletter with your free ebook. And that's about it. Okay, so after you save the promotion, you're gonna go back into your bookshelf and you're gonna find the book that you want to see. In this case, it was Operation Anna, so I can come over here. Do you see promote and advertise over here? If it's not this word, it's fine. You can go to the three dots and find the promote and advertise over here. When you click on it, um, you're gonna get a summary of all of your stuff. And one thing that I didn't mention is you cannot create a free ebook day if you're not enrolled on KDP Select. So you need to be enrolled on KDP Select to have your free day. You can have up to 5 days during your enrollment time. So you can see here on November 27 is my start date and February 24 is my end date. So between November 27 and February 24, 2023, I'll have 5 days to use as a free book day. And any promotions that I made are going to be all the way to the bottom. So you can go all the way to the bottom. You see here, promotions from my book. Sorry if you can hear my daughter. She's screaming at the back and she's playing. And in here you can find the ones that I already set, such as the December 12 to December 14 Operation Anna is going to be free on Amazon, so anyone can download for free. And I can edit or delete that promotion if I want to. I'm not going to because I'm actually going to put it for free. Um, that said, I already talked with you about being on KDP Select. It needs to be in there. Why wouldn't you be there? I would say one, if you don't have like a ebook file. Two, if you have the ebook file, but whenever you publish, you also intended to publish elsewhere, because KDP Select means you are only selling it on Amazon. So you can't like put it on a Grand Spark, or you can't sell in other areas. You can't offer your ebook in other places. Uh, Along Came Oliver, for example, is not on KDP Select, but all of my other books are. Cool. I think I covered pretty much everything. Um, so if you have any questions, just put it a comment on the video and I'll try to answer it. And if you want to see a specific video about a specific thing on KDP or Ingram Spark, just leave a comment and I will check it out. Um, this is not my main thing, but I like helping other authors. So just let me know if you need anything. I think I covered everything. And oh, and to set up a free day, you need to set up at least one day ahead. So you can set up for today. You need to set up for tomorrow, if that makes sense. And the last thing is, a couple of people asked me, should I do the 5 days in a row or one day here, one day there, one day here, one day there? It depends on your marketing strategy. Some people say that doing 2 or 3 days in a row is more beneficial because some people might see the book like a day or two after. Um, some people say it's not because when they see the one day two after, they might buy it instead of downloading it for free. Um, it depends on your strategy. I personally like doing 2 to 3 days together, and then I always try to save 1 to 2 days towards the end of my enrollment window in case like there's a huge um, author event that authors are getting together to do multiple ebooks on the same day, or a Christmas event, or a book anniversary. So I always try to put 1 or 2 days saved and use those days towards the end of my enrollment window. Don't have to, it's up to you. Um, and if you have any other tips, please put it in the comments. If you have any other questions, put it in the comments. Uh, I would love to help. I hope I'm helping everybody. So it's a pleasure, and I'll see you next time. Bye.